Hello, everyone. My name is Edith, and my Ignite talk is about Juno and the mission to Jupiter. So, what is Juno? Juno is a spacecraft that was sent to explore Jupiter. It was launched on August 5th of the year 2011 from the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, and it is expected to arrive on Jupiter by July 4th of the year 2016. What is the mission of Juno? The goal of Juno is to understand the origin and evolution of Jupiter, to look for a solid planetary core, map magnetic field, and to measure water and ammonia in deep atmosphere. Let's go into the details about Juno. Juno's name comes from Greek and Roman mythology. According to mythology, the god Jupiter drew a veil of clouds around himself to hide his mischief, and his wife, which was the goddess Juno, was able to peer through the clouds and reveal Jupiter's true nature. Juno is the first solar powered spacecraft designed to operate at such a great distance from the Sun. Juno is a 4-ton spacecraft that carries three 30-foot long solar arrays with 18,698 individual solar cells. Juno has the biggest solar panels in the universe. The material in Juno's solar panels is similar to the tint on sunglasses because they pick up different kinds of light, giving them more power than average solar panels. The solar panels on Juno, at their best, can convert 28% of sunlight into power. Juno can dial down or up on power depending on its distance from the Sun, so it doesn't overload when close to the Sun or become underpowered far from the Sun. Prior to Juno, 8 spacecraft have navigated to Jupiter, and all have used nuclear power sources to get their job done. Solar power is possible on Juno due to improved solar cell performance, energy efficient instruments and spacecraft, a mission designed that can avoid Jupiter's shadow, and a polar orbit that minimizes the total radiation. Juno's maximum distance from the Sun during its 16-month science mission will be about 517 million miles. NASA's Juno mission to Jupiter has broken the record to become humanity's most distant solar-powered emissary. The milestone occurred at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, January 13, when Juno was about 493 million miles from the Sun. Once Juno reaches Jupiter, this spacecraft will orbit the Jovian world 33 times, skimming to within 3,100 miles above the planet's cloud tops every 14 days. During the flybys, Juno will probe beneath the obscuring cloud cover of Jupiter and study its aurora to learn more about the planet's origins, structure, atmosphere, and magnetosphere. To be able to send images back to Earth, Juno is equipped with a color camera called JunoCam. But unlike previous space missions, professional scientists will not be the ones producing the processed views or even choosing which images to capture. Instead, the public will act as a virtual imaging team participating in key steps of the process, from identifying features of interest to sharing the finished images online. The Juno team has kicked off the first stage of JunoCam activity with the launch of a new web platform on the mission's website. Now and throughout the mission, amateur astronomers are invited to submit images of Jupiter from their own telescopes. These views will be the basis for online discussions about which of Jupiter's swirls, bands, and spots JunoCam should image as it makes repeated close passes over the planet. The ground-based views will be essential for identifying and tracking changes in the planet's cloud features as Juno approaches. As of May 6, 2016, Juno is approximately 450 million miles from Earth. The one-way radio signal travel time between Earth and Juno is currently about 40 minutes. Juno is traveling at a velocity of approximately 60,000 miles per minute. The Juno spacecraft is in excellent health and is operating nominally. Juno will arrive at Jupiter on July 4, 2016 at 8:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And you can track and visualize Juno's journey through space using NASA's Eyes on the Solar System 3D interactive on their website.